Portfolio on Wix tutorial for beginners, how to create portfolio website using Wix. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this software to create our own website on Wix with our portfolio. Basically it's pretty easy. They provide us the opportunity to create it from scratch, or we can simply customize the template, so it will be pretty easy as for us. In order to get started, we need to visit their website. As you can see in the top of the screen, they have some information. The site called wix.com. So we need to click on get started to create our account, or if you have like Gmail or Facebook, you can simply continue with this like stuff here. So I'll just continue with our Gmail. As for me, this is the easiest way, so it may take a little time and sometimes it's necessary to confirm our email, but now it's easy for us to create. So basically we'll come to this page here. It looks like this. As you can see, we have like two folders here, like my sites and explore. Also there is like help and hire a professional, but in this case we'll use only this folder, which is about my sites. As you can see, they have the option to create new website. Also we have information about our account with all billing history and so on. So if you're going to buy some paid plans, this folder pretty helpful as for you. So let's click on create new site, and now we need to answer for some of the questions, basically which type of website we would like to create. So we are creating a portfolio, so let's click on portfolio. We can also choose the type of our portfolio if you didn't decide, so we can just click on next as in this case. So let's click on next, and what would you like to call your website? Let it be like the name of our channel, basically Helperman. Click on next, and now I will come to this page. What would you want to add to your website? Portfolio, online store, forms. You can choose something which is suitable as for you, but in this case I'm going to use only portfolio, so I'll just click on next, because we can add every single element a little bit in the future. So after that we can click on start designing your style with begin with template or get a custom build site. So if you want to create it from scratch, you can use this feature, but in this case, to make it easier, we'll create it like with template. We'll only customize some things. We can click on begin with template, and as you can see, we have a lot of templates here. At least they have like three categories: portfolios, resumes, and CVs or personal. So if you want to use some of them, you can simply just choose and customize. So let's try to find something which is suitable as for me. So I think that this one is pretty good, so we can just click on view to find how does it looks like. As you can see, it looks like this. So now we can just click on edit this site, and this template will be automatically uploaded to our system. It may take a little time and we need to wait, be patient. So while it's uploading, we can discover the paid plans. As you can see, they have like 4 options we can use: VIP plan, unlimited, and combo, or we can just simply connect a domain. We can find the differences right up here, but as for me, if you're going to use it for a long time, the best plan is like unlimited. It's like the most popular plan, and it's only 17 euros per month. So let's try to go back, and now everything is uploaded. As you can see, it looks like this. It also may take a little time, and now we are on our editing page. In the top of the screen we have some site settings, dev mode, hire professional, help. Also we can publish. This is the last step. In the left side we have menu with our page. We are now here. We can add some elements, we can add some section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my businesses, media, and content manager. So in order to get started, firstly we can just choose every single part here and we can edit it easily. So for example, we need to add the name of the of us, basically. So we can click on this element here, click on edit text, and we can customize everything. So firstly, I'd like to change something like this. Also there is like a lot of parameters we can customize, for example like themes. We can change the font, of course. We can change the font size. Sometimes it could be really helpful. We can make it bold, italic, underlined, and so on. Also, we can change the alignment. So there are a lot of options. We can deal with text. Of course, we can change the position of our text, as you can see. And in this way, we can customize every single part, for example, like this here. So we can change basic shape, for example, for this circle. You can just click right up here and try to find, for example, if you want to change it for this triangle, maybe let it be like add to this page, and how it looks like this. There are a lot of parameters, as you can see. We can also click on design to change the color, for example. So sometimes it could be really helpful as for us. So in this case, we can customize every single part here. We can change the image, of course. We can change the text here. We can change this text, change this shape, change this button. So basically, it's pretty easy as for us. In order to swipe between different pages, we need to visit this area here, page home. So we need to switch it, for example, to our resume to find our information about us. So as you can see here, we have like our work experience where we can add some suitable information as for us. Of course, we can just simply choose this one here. We can just duplicate it and then just move it a little bit like here. So we need to add some space here and then just move it, for example, right up on this way. As you can see, it helps us to find the necessary position to make it like look similar. So in this case, we can add some more information, or we can delete and like change the like section folder here. So basically, this is the easiest way of how can we customize, or also we can add some elements. As you can see, there is like different images option, button options, stripe, and so on. So if you need, you can of course just use these things here. But honestly, if you want to create some simple things, it's easier to use this template as for us. Not only just customize. If you need some, of course, stuff here, we can of course edit using this. Also, we can add some sections here. As you can see, we have like some templates for welcome, about, team, contact, promotion, services, and so on. Or we can just simply add like blank section if we need. Now it was added right up here, so we can just simply add some more actions. I'd like to delete it back because as for me, it's not that suitable. Also, we can change some site design. We can customize different themes. If you want to try to swipe, as you can see, the colors will be successfully changed to the pages we need. So this is a way of how can we customize our themes. When everything is ready, we can just simply click on preview or publish if we need to publish it. So I'll just click on publish, and then I'll just click on get a free Wix domain, save and continue. So after that, in a few seconds, our website will be successfully published. And now we can just simply find this link here, and we can simply send it to anyone. So we can click on edit, for example, add some text, or we can just simply click on done. And now everything is done. We can view this website. It's already online, so you can even visit it and try to find it by yourself. But basically, it was pretty easy as for me. We can just click on done. And after that, we can go back to our website. In the left top corner, just click on Wix icon. And we'll come to this page here where we can go to my website, and we can find it right up here where we can deal with it. For example, we can just add some actions, or we can simply move it to trash if you don't need it to use. So this is how can we create portfolio website using Wix. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.